Hello everybody! Another tutorial today. Another lightbox. Funny one this time. Alpha 2. Picker off? Not sure really. It's a funny one, yeah. What you think? Let's make this one today. From the vectorizing image file to doing it in Fusion 360. Designing rest of the lightbox. Come on, let's start. Okay, let's start with an image. I have my image already downloaded, so let's go straight to vectorizing it. Now, the best way to vectorize your image, I don't know, I was using Inkscape, program Inkscape before, but then my friend suggested to use one of these web browser vectorizers, and so I used vectorizer.ai. Does great job, even better and faster than probably Inkscape or something like that. It is one of the best I know, if not even the best. It's really great, yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's upload an image first. Now, let's find our cursed image. And that's it. Now it's uploading and processing it. Now it shows original image and vectorized image. Looks good. Can't really tell anything from this preview, but let's go ahead, download. Now, these are my settings for the site. If you want to, you can copy them. Yeah, it comes out great with these settings. So, but if you have your own settings and they work for you, go ahead, use that. Or if you use any other program or AI tool, it's just what works for me. That's what I use. Let's go ahead, download it. Right. That is the file. We don't need actually this anymore. Let's go to Fusion and let's start a new file, new sketch. Now, first what I like to do, as I said in previous video, to mark out how big I want the lightbox actually, to to guide me in the size lines. I do 235 millimeters by 235 millimeters. Make a little square. Now, that's gonna be our size. Let's insert our SVG next. Go up here to insert SVG. Insert from my computer. Be downloads. That's the one. Now let's flip it. I usually flip it. Now. Not gonna be too big, yeah. I'm gonna leave it like that. That looks good. Now let's delete what we don't need. I'm not gonna do the hair, this part out of it. That's not needed. Let's fix the lines together, like so. That will be perfect. Now what else we have? Let's find the lines we don't like and fix them first. like whatever's going on here. Don't need that. Okay. Okay. I don't think we need that. Make the same one color. Delete that. No need to separate. Delete that. Don't need that. Rest of it looks good. Can already see one of the eyeballs is not closed loop because the whole thing is getting highlighted, not just inside of the eyeball like here. So let's just delete this and replace with a regular circle. Try to match the size. That looks the same, about right. Looks good. Okay, that should do. Now, next I want is the rim for the front plate. So I need to offset the whole sketch. Anytime now. Okay. Let's do that -0.6. Yeah, looks good. Now, so you can see it highlights the whole background. So the sketch is not complete, the outline. So you're gonna need to find out where is it not connecting. Let's do the good old line method to find out where the the line is broken. See, that highlights perfectly this side as well. So that means not the right one. Yeah, somewhere down here. My suspicion is somewhere here probably. Let's try. Extend one of these links. See, that shows up as white. White dots usually means it's not connected. Okay, it might be something else. Okay, let's draw another line. No. Okay, that's fine. Here is fine, somewhere. Might be here. Let's make another line. That's good, that's good. Okay. Let's see. Try to extend all these bits. Nope. Okay, that should do. That worked perfectly. See, you can try to extend anywhere close to these dots. Modify and extend the sketch. And that fixed it. See, it didn't even show up as white. Usually it shows up as white dot where it's not connected. Not always. So look out for the broken lines like this. And look, perfectly. Highlights now perfectly. Okay, can start extruding that. I make that 15 millimeters. Extrude up. Just like so. Looking good. Okay. Toggle sketches on. Okay, actually, let's make a component and name it memory. That's our first component. Now let's do all the black parts. No. Okay, all the outlines. Now it is in black. That looks good. 0.5 millimeters. And extrude it as a new component. Like so. Now all the black highlights, outlines will be as one component, and let's name it black. That's the black part. Okay, what else we got? Now white eyes we have. Okay, 0.5 new component. Rename it white. It's good to name your colors right away. In the slicer, so much easier just to pick the colors you named. Makes your life so much easier. Okay, yeah, let's go to yellow now. Okie dokie, and these gonna be all the yellow parts. Just yellow. I'm gonna try to do as a shade, because the cheek is red, so that's gonna be only red. And I'm gonna try to mix yellow and red in layers to create kind of brownish orangey color. We'll see how it turns out at the end. But as you can see, I already did it and it looks pretty good, so it works. So you can actually shade your colors only using 4 color AMS system like I do. Makes it yeah, more possibilities. Mix colors, create different shades. Okay, that will be only yellow, this one, so 0.5 new component. That's gonna be low. Okay, that little cheeky cheek, that's gonna be only red, so that's gonna be new component as well. That's gonna be red. Cool, cool. Okay, now all the other bits, orangey bits. Let's start with a layer of yellow first. Okay, let's do 0.3. New component. That looks good. Now that's gonna be yellow 2, because in the slicer it doesn't matter, you just assign colors anyway by the names and it will be perfect by layers anyway as well. Okie doke, now let's do them again, the same parts. have to check. Which parts were they? Okay, that's a weird view. Okay. There you go. Now it lights up. Look good, look good. Okay, let's do 0.2 then. Because we had 0.3 already yellow. Do another 0.2. That's gonna be just one layer of red on top. But red is much darker than yellow, so probably need less than yellow to make the color. That's the idea. Okay, new component again. That's gonna be red 2. Let's go render some color in this bad boy before we move on to designing the back box. Appearances. I go into usually plastic. They have some presets here, but it don't matter. You can pick it as one of these and then just edit the color, like here. These are the used colors in design. Just press edit, and there you go. You can adjust the yellow as you want. Okay, we need something black. Okay, let's do, but only from the inner kind of sketch. Whatever, yeah, it worked. Negative, since that was 0.6, let's do 1.6. That will be the outer edge. Oh, let's do another one. Inside one. No, we don't need one. We need 0.4. Because that's already 0.6. Good, okay. Let's extrude the first lip. -10. Not join, do not join, new component again. That looks good. Apologize about the dogs in the background. That's just phone notifications. That looks good. Let's name that back box. Now I untoggle the visibility for him, so the fusion don't get confused again about which parts I'm trying to join here. Now, yeah, now we need the whole width of the sketch. No. Not the middle part though. Alright. I need to fix the sketch. Seems to be broken somewhere again. Let's find the broken spot. No, that looks good. Is it down here again? could be. That looks good up here. Yeah, looks like might be again here. That fix it. Yep, was there again. Can be annoying, yeah, but that's what we're working with. The SVGs, they're not it's not easiest to work with, but it's easier than using like something like a spline function and do all the outlines like that, which is very useful sometimes. If you have a bad quality image, that might be the way to go. I might cover it in another video in the future. Yeah, outlining image just by that. If the image quality is bad and you can't really vectorize it, but because sometimes the apps give just jumble of lines and it's harder to figure out all the lines and fix them. Just do it by yourself with the splines, much faster. Okay, let's do that 25 millimeters maybe. Yeah, okay. On the timeline, looking good so far. Now let's do the back of the back box. Let's do another sketch on top of here. Start a new sketch. No. That marks the whole top. Let's extrude it. That's gonna be the back wall. Let's do 2 millimeters. Join, yes. You can switch off sketches. Now, they're there. It looks good already. Oh yeah, I forgot about the hole for a wire. Let's make that quickly. On the back. Let's find a good spot for that. Okay, somewhere here, probably in the middle, maybe. 4.5 is a good size hole for a wire. Fit most of the wires freely and easily. Now extrude -2. That should cut right through. I see already it did, yeah. Perfect. And that's it. That's our lightbox. Now save everything as a mesh in your folders. Save all of this. All of the components that go only for front plate. All of these will go in one folder because we want to open them at the same time as well in Slicer to make as one piece, but with many parts. So do that. Just click one by one, save as mesh, and do the folder you want to be. I have that already done, so I'll meet you at the Slicer. Okay, now we're in the Slicer. Let's load up those files. Let's find them first. Front plate. Let's open all of the files at the same time. Load these files as a single object with multiple parts. Yes, please. That will give us our Pikachu. Now we go here in objects. You can just pick colors we have already preloaded AMS colors here. Now just assign, double click to assign, or triple click. Red, or you can just never mind, let's triple click. White, another white, yellow, and yellow stays yellow. That looks good. There you go. Well, the file is ready to print. And do another plate with the back box. Okay. Well, yeah, we modeled it kind of face down, so that's how it is. But no, you can just pick the face you want. Alright, might need to turn it. Give an error, it's too close to this little corner. That bamboo assigned for whatever was that, some kind of clearance thingy. And make that black as well, because we want it black. There you go. The boy is ready to print. Slice him up and send it to the printer. Bye.